Mainit-init na chismis, netizens at mga chismosa o mga mosang nagkakagulo na sa blind item kung sino nga ba ang power couple. So sino nga ba? This is my assumption based on the available clue. Wife and husband. So, ibig sabihin, malinaw na hindi Senadora Evangelina Bel Mariano. Wife and husband daw. Ibig sabihin, mag-asawa. At ayon nga sa aking pagsisiyasat, itong mag-asawang ito are one of the listed power couples in the Philippines. Having been married for 13 years, their wedding was like a fairy tale. Both are successful in their respective fields. Husband as an actor, director, and endorser, while wife is well known as an actress, host, and endorser. So another clue is that the power couple is frequently seen on the red carpet. Wife and husband's most recent red carpet appearance was at the MMFF event in December 2025. Both are admired for their looks. Husband is often cast in a leading man roles, while wife is described as a timeless, ageless, and elegant. In 2016, wife was reportedly mentioned in a blind item who allegedly had a breakdown in a hotel lobby due to marital issues. She was described as a well-known wife who was reportedly blindsided by her husband's alleged infidelity, although it was not confirmed. Based on RG Diaz's clue during PBB Celebrity Edition in 2006, ex-housemate was the housemate who requested a pamper day for the group.